Hey guys, it's CK and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to teach you guys how to make a basic planter box made out of fence palings. The tools you'll be needing are pretty basic. You'll need a handsaw, you'll need your square, you'll need your measuring tape, and your pencil. The materials that you'll be needing will be 2 fence palings at 1800 high, 14 nails. Let's get started. I want to show you our architectural drawings, okay? I don't know if you can see it. So that's what the planter should look like at the end. You don't want to be making any mistakes, so watch carefully. You're going to cut your side pieces, which is your long end. You're going to cut one fence paling in half. When measuring from both ends of your palings, it should meet halfway. You square it off. And then you cut it with your handsaw. Okay, now you have your two sides. Okay, now that you have cut your side pieces, we're going to cut your bottom piece now, which should be about 850 millimeters in. That's right. 850 millimeters. Square it off and cut it. Ta-da! Okay, now that you have your bottom piece, we're going to cut your end piece. Okay, so for our end piece, we're going to put our square at 25 degrees. Yep, that's about right, and we're going to mark that. Okay, now after you have measured, now that you have marked that, we're going to measure it 130, which should be about there. Yes. From that 130, we're going to mark our 25 degrees. Yep. Now that we have marked our shape, we're going to cut it. Now that you got your end piece, we're going to cut another one exactly the same. What you can do is put this on the one you just cut and just trace the end. So you flush the end of one side and then you mark this side. Now that we have all our components, we're going to put them together. Welcome back to the office, guys. So, what you want to do now is to grab your end piece, grab your bottom piece, put it on the table, grab one of your end piece, and we're going to nail that to the bottom piece. Make sure when nailing that the edge is flush. Now you'll repeat the same process on the other end. Now that you have the two sides nailed on both ends with two nails, we're going to be putting on our side pieces now. Turn that into its angle so you can easily put the sides. Making sure that the end is flush with the top and the side. Okay, now that you have done one side, repeat the same process on the other side. Okay, now that you have nailed both sides, your planter box is basically completed. Okay, now that we've done making the planter box, this whole process should take you no more than 30 minutes to an hour. The cost for this should be around $10 to $15 at most. If you guys like the video, please don't forget to like and subscribe. That would mean so much for the channel. And I'll see you in my next video.